Hey guys, hello and welcome back to our channel Glittery Vibes. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Today we'll see how to make stocking flowers. For this, you require a small piece of craft wire folded in a petal shape as shown in the video. Now take any color of stocking that you wish and put the petal shaped craft wire into the stocking. Tie it tightly with the help of a thread. Cut the remaining part of the stocking. You need to make 5 such petals out of these stockings. Now you need to take some craft pollen. These are easily available in any craft shops. You need to fold them into half. In between the fold, now you need to attach the craft wire in between the fold and tie it with the help of a thread. You need to ensure that this pollen is tightly attached to the craft wire. Now, one by one, you need to attach the petals to the pollen along with the craft wire with the help of a thread. The petals, the pollen, everything needs to be attached tightly to the craft wire. You need to attach the petals in an overlapping form. Now you need to shape the petals. This same process can be rotated if you want the flower to be in a rosette form. Now you just need to wrap some green craft tape along with the craft wire. And here, your stocking flower is ready. If you like this video, then please do give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to follow us on Instagram, which goes by the same name, Glittery Vibes. Until then, stay tuned and keep glittering.